It's another beautiful day.
Hello. What is this?
Oh no! The warehouse is on fire.
Hi, guys.
Dump truck.
Thank
Fire
you.
truck.
I got it.
Dump truck and fire truck hurry to put it out.
Okay. Wow!
Dump truck grabs an
happened?
extinguisher.
That.
Puff, puff.
Oh no!
But oops!
Oh
The foam sprays all over fire truck. Now fire truck's color is gone.
Here we go.
Without color, it can't fight fires. Dump truck quickly
Nice.
brings some paint. First, it paints fire truck green. Wow, so bright.
Green.
Okay. Amazing.
Green fire truck sprays water. Whoosh!
Oh my god!
But the fire doesn't go out. That's not the right color.
Hey!
Let's try purple.
Wow!
Purple.
Open! Bravo! Oh no! What happened? Oh no!
Still not working.
Hey!
What next? How about pink?
Pink.
Good job! Come here! It's so nice!
Nope, the fire is still burning.
What happened? Help me!
Fire truck is so sad, but dump truck has one more idea. Let's try red.
Red.
Very nice. Thank you very much.
Wow, the red fire truck sprays a huge stream of
I
water.
got it. It's my time. I like it. Look at
And the
this.
fire is out in no time. That's right, fire trucks are red.
Disappear. I like it. Woo! Wow.
Fire truck and dump truck drive home happily.
Transformation! Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.